nifuna mwamuna wa permanenti. Ati nifuna mwamuna wa chizungu, wa mabenzi na mamanshoni. Alina chuma na
we are launching the Malawi Space Stars. Masters wani nani? Masters wani nani? Jinuyo. Angati muni leta kupina bano.
Nakuza osabeka, deka pasa zizateka, nanisia chabeweka, hapa ufuna kibwererane. Nakuza osameka, deka pasa zizateka, nanisia chabeweka, hapa ufuna kibwererane.
Akajijita address a deputy headmaster and then decided now as CEO at Daka Space Technologies. Kudena also azati yankule akazati yankula azati pasa presentation abapo kodi ziwe kodi za space technology tukuzika mbazi zokutani kwa jana. For now I have where I am sokolo kodi mukide address.
Thank you very much. Firstly, let me recognize the presence of the CEO, the teachers, and other members who have also joined us here. Let me welcome you, Mr. Daka and your team, to Mulunguzi Secondary School. At Mulunguzi Secondary School, we appreciate your initiative in promoting space technology and awareness among our students. It is my sincere hope that even today, you as students, you are going to participate actively. Mulunguzi Secondary School is really in support of this because this will inspire our students in the field of science and technology.
Without wasting time, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished, allow me to invite the CEO for Daka Space Technologies, Kuti Abwele, and Kiti address. Sir, it's your time.
Yeah, so I want to welcome each one of you, starting with the deputy head teacher here, members of staff, the ones who are creating the cream of Malawi at Mulunguzi Secondary School, and few welcomed students. Today we'll just share a little story about space, yeah? And as the MC indicated earlier on, we want to go to? You want to go to? So as an introduction, my name is Daka. When I finished my university at Chancellor College, this is where I started doing my teaching practice. That's why I'm back here. All right? Yeah. So I am the founder and CEO at Daka Space Technologies. It is the only space technology company or startup in Malawi. And we do quite a number of things. I think you will see in my presentation. And one of the greatest things that we do is we are developing space technologies in the country. And on top of that, we are also embarking on what we call space education, okay? So we are here because we want to bring about awareness of space at the same time to impart and inspire someone to become a space scientist, or space engineer, or any space-related profession. So we believe in a couple of things as a corporate entity. We believe in big thinking. We want to think really big. And we believe in innovation. We want to be very creative. And we believe in integrity. We want to conduct ourselves in the most ethical and appropriate way. And we also believe in quality. We believe in collaboration. And we believe in excellence. All right? So what we want to be developing in Malawi, we want it to be usable. In South Africa, we want it to be usable beyond Africa. Matter of fact, we already have some partners who are in the Western world, and some are in Singapore, whom we're working with, developing state-of-the-art, world-class innovations. What we want to do is that, first of all, we want to build the first space technology laboratory for space technology innovation, development, designing, testing, and qualification. What that means is that we want to come up with a facility where we can start building satellites and then send those satellites to space for different things. And secondly, we want to be able to operate advanced space networks. You've heard about Starlink? Yeah? Starlink? We know Elon Musk, do we? Yes. So apart from Tesla, one of the companies Elon Musk has is Starlink. Starlink is a global satellite-based telecommunication company that is bringing in internet to individuals across continents. And we want to do something similar to that, but contextualized for our problems. We want people in the villages to be able to enjoy 4G and 5G in the near future, even if Airtel and TNM doesn't come to give us the transmitter towers for those technologies. One of the things that, if you study at this level, will give you a better pathway to become a space scientist, space engineer, aerospace engineer, or to eventually become an astronaut, astrophysicist, okay, an astronomer, and many other things, okay? So let's start with the prerequisites in terms of your subjects. So if you want to think about space, think physics. Physics is the bottom line.
Akamafusa mafuso magaya na nusu mumvesere wambire mwena funso mbere na nusu ngatukudani ukuthandizane kumaso ansa mbere ngaberegere nusu ngatukudani ukuthandizane. So pay attention. Anzano akamafusa mafuso big man ayanga akayanga tikatero tizalo wa ndondomeko ya kwisi kuti tuwane kuti ma brains na ngado mumo mwina mwana ngulanda scholarship who knows.
Thank you so much for your thoughtful questions. Let me start with the first question. Well, that one is a simple one because I've never gone to space, but if God allows, I intend to be an astronaut, okay? I would love to go to space, but at the moment, I've never gone to space.
Over to you.
Like this question has been waiting for so long. It's concerning about how the astronauts fly. When you see them, we don't see them settled down. We see them like they're jumping up, like they'll go down and then they'll go up, stuff like that. So I just want to know about that, and also I want to know about NASA. NASA thing, I don't understand about NASA. I just heard that it's concerning about space, but then I don't know how it goes. So what's what about
that? We're all scientists here, right? We are taking a little bit of physics, right? What happens to gravity when you're going up? When you're going up, what happens to gravity? It decreases, right? So all the way when you go to space, right? The gravity is very, very small. So it's like there's no net force on you. You're just placed in nothingness, all right? So when you try to move, you're literally just going to be moving with the amount of force which is being applied on you. So astronauts, when they go to space, they have a special equipment that they use to move, all right? Equipment that they use to move. And on that equipment, there is a little engine that can produce thrust. Okay? Do you understand that? So the engine and the equipment, we call it a thruster. We call it a thruster. So that's why when you see an astronaut, there's something at the back, right? So it is usually a thruster with little engines to move them about in space, because there's no gravity, there's no whatsoever. Talking about NASA, let me answer it in this way. Let me start by Malawi, okay? So for the longest period in the country, we had no branch in government that looks after issues in space, okay? But starting from last year in April, the Malawi government wanted to create an institution that looks after things in space, okay? And we are going to call it the Malawi Space Agency, all right? So the same way the Malawi government wants to come up with an institution that looks after things in space, the American government, back in the 1950s, created their own government institution called NASA that looks after things in space.
Which two planets in our solar system are called gas giants? Boys are from two. Where are why you got a hustle bag which of the two planets in our solar system are called gas giants? Jenna. Jupiter and Saturn. Again? Jupiter and Saturn. I said,